The Tuono V4 is crafted around the ultra-modern 457 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine which has just been introduced on the RS4, the jewel in Aprilia's technological crown. It is a liquid-cooled, parallel front twin-cylinder engine with double camshaft timing and 4 valves per cylinder, which has a maximum power output of 35 kilowatts, 47.6 horsepower at 9,400 RPM, the maximum possible for a motorbike that can be ridden with an A2 license, and a torque of 43.5 Nm at 6,700 RPM, 82% of which is already available at 3,000 RPM. The bike offers record levels of performance for a front twin-cylinder with this engine size. This latest generation engine is extremely compact and light, helping to achieve a record power-weight ratio. The key priority for Noal's designers, indeed, the bike's dry weight is just 159 kilograms. The specific layout of the engine was selected to optimize lightness and compactness as far as possible, leaving plenty of freedom when designing the chassis. The engine also has a load-bearing function, with a swing arm mount incorporated into the rear. Aprilia's twin-cylinder engine draws on the experience gained with the super-powerful 1,100 cubic centimeters V4 engine fitted on the RSV4 and later on the 659 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine fitted to the 660 range. Aprilia's technicians have worked to optimize the overall dimensions, fully integrating the cooling circuit and the blow-by recovery circuit into the engine, enabling external piping to be eliminated. The crankcase is split horizontally into 2 parts, in order to further reduce bulk and make the structure more robust. Various solutions have been used to minimize internal friction. The cylinders are offset by around 6.5 mm from the crankshaft, reducing friction during the piston thrust. The countershaft and the water pump work on roller bearings instead of bushings, and the piston pins undergo a DLC, diamond-like carbon, surface treatment. Finally, the gearbox uses roller cages instead of bushings, the same as on Aprilia's V4 engines, and in addition, it boasts a new patented lubrication solution, with a system integrated into the axles of the shift forks. The cam axles of the 4-valve cylinder twin camshaft timing system, driven by a lateral chain, are hollow and use calibrated cups, which help to reduce inertia in order to move the valves. The oil bath multi-disc clutch is power-assisted and has an anti-hopping system. Unlike the RS4, the final drivetrain of the Tuono V4 is shorter as a result of the adoption of a crown wheel with an extra tooth, which enables even greater responsiveness at every touch of the electronic ride-by-wire multimap throttle. The braking system features a pair of British English calipers, the front of which has a radial mount, which operate with 2 steel discs of 320 mm at the front and 220 mm at the rear. The brake lever on the handlebar is adjustable, ensuring the best ergonomic position at all times. The system is assisted by a Bosch 2-channel ABS system with dual mapping, available either on both wheels or only on the front. The 17-inch rims fit tires measuring 110/70 at the front and 150/60 at the back, perfect for emphasizing the spectacular agility that the features of the chassis deliver.